Everybody, my name is Rizka, and in this video I would like to share my honest review of this semester about Tefl course. So during this semester I learned that many teaching approaches, learning models, and instructional strategies that have changed my understanding of what it means to become an effective English teacher. The first topic that impressed me was 21st century learning and deep learning with the 6 C's. So I learned that teaching English is not only about helping students to memorize vocabulary or grammar rules, but also as future teachers, we need to prepare our students with important life skills such as critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, communication, citizenship, and character. So these 6 competencies will help our students to become an active learners who are ready to face the real world challenges. This topic also made me realize that English is a tool for communication and problem solving and not just about school subject. Another important lesson was about different teaching approaches, including direct instruction, group work, differentiated instruction, literature-based learning, and cooperative learning. Before I took this course, I thought that teaching only about explaining the lesson in front of the class, but what I've learned is that students have different learning styles, abilities, interests, and the backgrounds. So, because of these differences, teachers need to use various approaches instead of relying on one teaching method. I also learned about several student-centered um, student-centered learning models such as discovery learning, problem-based learning, and project-based learning. These approaches also encourage students to become an active participants in the learning process. Instead of simply receiving the information from the teacher, students should explore, investigate, discuss, solve the problems, and create a meaningful project. So I believe that these learning models can increase students' motivations because they connect with the classroom learning with real life situation. One of my favorite parts of this course also was I learned about innovative strategies for teaching the 4 English skills such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing, as well as integrating these skills in one lesson. So what I've realized is that every language skills needs different teaching techniques. For listening, teachers need to provide meaningful and engaging audio activities. For speaking, students should have many opportunities to communicate confidently. It could be through discussion, role plays, presentation, and etc. For reading, lessons should help the students to understand ideas critically rather than simply answer the question. And for the last skills, which is writing lessons, should guide the students through the process of planning, drafting, revising, and also improving their work. And finally, integrated skills teaching showed me that these 4 skills should support one with another because communication in real life naturally gathered or combines listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And overall, about this TEFL course has changed my perspective or my insight on English learning teaching. That I also that I've learned that an effective English teacher is not about someone who only explains the material in front of the class, but also about someone um, who creates an engaging, inclusive, and student-centered learning environment. A teacher should be flexible, creative, and able to choose teaching strategies for meet or match the students' needs. So this course has also increased my confidence and motivate me to continue to improving my teaching skills. Although I know that I still have to learn, but I believe that the knowledge and experience that I got in this semester will become a strong foundation for my future career as an English teacher. So that's all about my honest review of this semester. See you next video.